Alright everybody, hey, it's just Tony at Our Cabin in the Woods. I'm going to do something just a little bit different today. It's raining, it's getting cool out, we're going to get cold tonight. I'm actually going to start the fireplace today. It's been raining all day. I believe it's supposed to be, the wind chills tonight is supposed to be in the 20s, and I think somewhere in the mid-30s temperatures. I'll have to go shut all the animals with their water systems down and bleed them out. I'll do that here in just a bit. But I'm going to do something different. I'm going to talk about lighting. When we built our log home, I wanted this house to be as energy efficient as I can get it, within reason. But one thing we did do was our lighting. I made a decision all LED lighting was going to be on in the house. Every light bulb in here is LED. I have that there, it's all recessed lighting. That may get bright for every room. I have 14 in these two rooms, recessed lighting, and these are the old floodlight bulbs type, the big bulbs, okay? But this is different. These are LED, completely different. That's what this one looks like. Now, I'll tell you the specs on what those are, but as you can tell, they're very bright, very bright. The bathrooms have one in each, and that plus there is lighting that's above the mirror. Even my antler LED in this room here, that whole piece is an LED unit. The whole piece, not the bulb, the whole assembly is an LED. The same type thing is in our closets. They are the exact same thing, LED. The whole assembly is the light. I'll take you into this bathroom here. This is a second bathroom. Here's one of those recessed lightings. These are all LED, all of them. Those type bulbs are A19 is what they're coded as. They're called. These light bulbs up here, which is that one I showed you back there, they're called PAR, P-A-R, PAR 30. All of our lighting for our ceiling fans, they are all LED. Everything in here, even my security system lights, are LED. So I think you got the point. Everything in here is LED. Huge difference in electrical cost. I can say right now that on a hot summer day, running AC, and I love AC, my electric bill in this house, running lights, I'll show you what we do. That light's almost never on, unless family's here. But what lights are on in this house right now is what you see is on every night. Every night. Except, well, of course, you know the bathroom we shut down when you're in there. But these lights are on. I have electric water heater. I have electric heater on the house. Purposely done that because of the fireplace. Summertime, our electric bill, I have seen the max of 150. But that is also when I have a sprinkler system, and when I'm running that a lot. That's 220. That's out. That draws a lot. Of course, a lot of water also goes all the way out to the animals. They all are hooked up to the water system on the house. It's all free flowing however they need it. It's there. Like I said, I'm full electric, and yeah, it's my wife and I here, but every other day we do 2 loads of wash. We have electric dryer. So we're using electric, and it's not that bad, the cost. The AC system is up to date, whatever it was when we built the house 5 years ago, 2015, brand new. The heater, I had them put a double element for my heater for the house because I wanted to heat fast if I had it in this to take the chill out of the home, and that would be it. And all right, I'm going to read you some of the specifications that's on the box for these light bulbs. This bulb right here, it replaces the floodlights that you would put in your recessed lighting. It replaces them, you unscrew them. If you took those floodlight bulbs out, which is, you know, the big frosted type, or the ones you would have outside, around your house for security. This is the replacement in LED. This is called a PAR 30, P-A-R 30, LED. Now there's many versions of these, different types. I'll get to that in a second. This is equivalent to a 60 watt floodlight bulb. 60 watt. This has 780 lumina, and that light bulb is equivalent of 60 watts. That is 11 watt, that light bulb. So this light bulb here is 11 watts is what it's equivalent to. You can see what I showed you up there, how bright they are. Now, in lifetime, 15-year warranty on these bulbs. Now I've got the packets to keep them in. I got the receipts for them. How they figure what they do, most lighting in the same way, the bulbs, they figure you're going to have your lights on 3 hours a day. Okay, so at 3 hours a day, they're estimating if we're paying about 11 cents a kilowatt hour. I'm pretty sure it's up a little bit more than that right now. In fact, it's probably up quite a bit more, I believe. Anyway, at 11 cents kilowatt hour, at 3 hours a day, each bulb per year only costs you $1.32. $1.32 a year. Each bulb at 3 hours a day, and that is at 11 cents per kilowatt hour. That's based on, like I'm going to say it again, 3 hours a day, 11 cents a kilowatt hour. Each bulb is what it costs per year. Now, lifetime savings, when they're comparing a regular fluorescent bulb, the regular ones, not this, but a regular one, comparing them lifetime, and they said that you would save $215 per bulb lifetime of what you would spend on electricity. $215. Now, the specifications on this, let's see here. Okay, these bulbs are rated as, I believe they're called 2500 series, 3000 series, 4000 series, and maybe 5000 series. These bulbs here are 3000. They're 3000 warm. You get 4000 and 5000, they get brighter and very bright. I actually had a friend that had one of these, not this type bulb, but it was the LED. It had a 5000, and I screwed it into one of his sockets, or something I had, and I turned it on, and it was, and I knew how many lights I was going to be putting in this house. It was way overkill. Bad. I mean, the place had been glowing. I didn't want that. So I knew the amount of lights I have, and you can see, I mean, I'm right there. We are lit really good in this whole house. Really good. The whole house is lit nice. There's, like I said, there's different styles. This is a 3000. It's a warm light. It's bright. But also, not only do you have the light, each of these lights can project a different angle. You can get a 45-degree angle. You can get a 60-degree angle. I think there is a 20 or 25-degree angle. Basically, these are 45s. It's the way, just picture this cone. It's the way the light shines out. Now, I'm not saying this is the 45 part, it's the element that shines the light out. It's like a funnel at a 45-degree angle. I wanted that to be basically stationary in this spot here. I like the amount of lights I have. I didn't want one light to be big because you may miss some lighting somewhere else. We have no problem at night. This place is lit up inside. It's lit, plenty lit. So this is a 3000 series bulb par 30, a 45-degree angle bulb. And now my kids, my two youngest kids, one's building a house now, and the other one has a home. My first boy did building his house now, just sold his house, completely stripped it down, remodeled it, and he put all new bulbs in. Now these type bulbs I have in my hand here, they're Polaroid is what these were. And they, I guess, no longer make these bulbs. They have replacements of Polaroid, different ones. I did like these here because these had a cool off. They call them cool fins. Alright guys, sorry about that. The battery went dead, didn't pay attention, didn't see it. Anyway, that's kind of around about it. If you got any more questions on the lights, you know, you can always message me. I'll put in a description where I got them. I ordered all mine through 1000bulbs.com, and it's 1000bulbs.com, 1000.com, and 1000bulbs.com. Anyway, sorry. Anyway, you can check in here, you can see them. And that's about it. If you like what you've seen, subscribe, hit the bell button, pass and share the videos to everybody you can. Let everybody know about it. Helps me out. Comment, and always give me the thumbs up. The thumbs up button on the bottom down there, right below the picture, is what really helps me out. And of course, subscribers too. Anyway, I'm going to get off here and get going, and you'll have a great day. Thanks for watching.